Alright, well, today's been a very slow day, I'd say. I mean, I haven't really done anything, just fucking cleaning. So, you see I have a ladder set up. You'll see why I have a ladder set up. Didn't go as well as I thought it was going to, but that's what I do.